Hi traders, Niall here from LearnToTradeTheMarket.com. Welcome to today's Forex training video. Today's video we're going to be looking at support and resistance, how to draw your levels and plan the week ahead. Now it's Sunday afternoon, it's actually Saturday in the morning for Americans, but for Australians it's around 12 o'clock midday on a Sunday afternoon. What I do is I go through the charts and I plot my key support and resistance or S&R levels, look for any relevant price action, turning points, swing points, all that jazz, and I put it all together on the chart. I actually print the chart out, put it in a scrapbook and make it part of a trading journal. Now the best thing that you can do as a new trader is plot your levels on a daily chart before the week begins and every day after the market closes in New York. So let's begin and have a look at the euro dollar on a daily chart. One of the things I do first is mark all the turning points or the swing points. They're the pointy parts that are very obvious. So I'll just circle them and show you where they are. We've got one there at 148.28. The market moves down to 145.09 or thereabouts. Market then has a strong rally all the way up to 150.46 or thereabouts. I've circled that. Market then moves down to 146.27. And then market moves back up to 150.46. So you can see we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key levels, and obviously another one here at 148.27. That's where the most recent swing point or turning point is in the market. Okay, so we've marked those key levels, but that's not enough. I go one step further and I start drawing the horizontal lines through those key swing points. I'm going to use a line. You can see 148.27 to 28, a very thick line is something I use. I actually use a capture program here, so it will look a little bit thinner on the MetaTrader charts, but I think you can adjust the width of the lines on most charting programs. But the more friendly you are with the lines, so if you think about a line as an area on the chart rather than the exact level, the better you're going to do, because you can have some leeway with stop placement and looking for your price action signals as well. So let's put the line through here at 150.46 and another one down here at 146.27 or thereabouts, and the one right down the bottom. This one's not perfect, but we don't have much to line it up with there at 145.09. So they're the main levels. There's another interim level that I drew through here. You'll see at 146.88, and you can see this line is quite relevant. And I've drawn another interim level at 149.57 to 60. This is not an exact level, but I'll start the line, rather than from the left hand side, I'll start it from where it actually becomes relevant, and that's this point right here. You'll see 149.57. If I just circle this, you can see this little rejection here, this rejection here, and this top here. This is what I mean. It's not perfect, but you've still got to draw these lines in. There's another one here. There's a few lows through here, a few highs through here, a few lows through here, and this most recent low. So that's obviously a very relevant level. So I guess this video is just to explain how I plot the key levels and then how I go in a little bit deeper and look for those interim levels. I guess it could be a better word than interim, but we'll call it the in-between levels, and they're the levels that are less obvious. You'll notice one thing here, that these levels intercept all the price data, all the candles. You'll never see a perfect support line like this where it's just bouncing off the line. You're going to have the market move through, back through it. You've just got to try and be as accurate as possible and draw your lines through the most relevant areas that have acted as support and resistance, either on an intraday basis or on this daily chart. So I hope that video helped, something you should practice. I'll expand more in the members area on drawing support and resistance on all the other pairs. I'm doing a new revamp of the course. I've added another 100 pages and another 20 videos with me in person in front of the whiteboard. That's on its way.